A small creature in the vast city, Whiskers boards the bus with a grateful heart. The world outside whizzed by, but Whiskers' keen eyes caught the subtle shift in the bus's direction. Danger lurked around the bend, and Whiskers sensed it long before anyone else did. Panic rose as the bus hurtled towards disaster, but Whiskers knew he had to act fast. In the chaos, Whiskers' voice was a beacon of clarity, guiding them towards an unlikely solution. Relief washed over them as the danger passed, but a new threat loomed in the shadows. In the face of danger, Whiskers stood strong, ready to protect his newfound companions at any cost. With a swift move, Whiskers turned the tide, leading them towards an unexpected escape from peril. As the journey came to an end, Whiskers vanished into the night, a silent guardian who had woven magic into their ordinary lives.